having a bit of a play with this little Score electric motor demonstrator. Came from a secondary school science teacher's estate clearance. Commutator was a complete mess when I started fiddling with this, but I've cleaned it up, stopped it shorting out. Really simplistic brushes are just bits of bent metal that go against the commutator. Bearings are non-existent. It's just a stainless shaft poking through a couple of bits of brass. Definitely needs some oiling, and it's quite power hungry. It's also incredibly noisy. It needs a bit of work, but it wants 4 volts at about 3 amps. And it works.